What if the reason you're not getting things done isn't because you lack motivation, but because your time isn't structured the right way? For a long time, I thought I needed more discipline. But in reality, I was just making too many decisions every day. What should I do first? What's most important? What can wait? All of that thinking was draining my energy before I even started working. So I decided to try something different. For one full week, I stopped planning my schedule and let AI handle everything. And the results were honestly surprising. The struggle before this, my routine had no real structure. Some days I worked too much and burned out. Other days, I stayed busy but didn't actually accomplish anything meaningful. I would jump between tasks without finishing them. I would delay important work because it felt overwhelming. And even when I had time, I wasted it deciding what to do next. That constant decision-making created mental fatigue. By the end of the day, I felt exhausted, but not satisfied. That's when I realized something important: being busy doesn't always mean being productive. The experiment, so I decided to test something new. I asked AI to create a full weekly plan for me. I gave it clear details: my daily routine, my most productive hours, my goals, like content creation and learning within seconds. It generated a structured plan for my entire week. It wasn't just a list of tasks, it was a complete system with time blocks, focus sessions, and breaks. At first, I wasn't sure if it would actually work, but I committed to following it strictly. First few days on day one, everything felt different. I didn't waste time thinking about what to do next. I just followed the plan step by step. That alone made my day feel more organized. By day 2, I noticed I was more focused. I wasn't switching between tasks as much. By day 3, I started seeing real progress. Tasks that usually took hours were getting done faster. Not because I was rushing, but because I wasn't distracted or overthinking. For the first time in a while, I felt like I was actually in control of my time. Midweek realization: around the middle of the week, something really changed. I stopped questioning the schedule and started trusting it completely. That's when my productivity improved the most. I noticed that I could focus deeply on one task at a time. I wasn't constantly checking my phone or jumping to something else. Even my breaks felt better. Because they were planned, I didn't feel guilty taking them. It made me realize how much energy I used to waste just deciding what to do. Final results: after one full week, the difference was clear. My focus improved a lot. I could work for longer periods without distractions. I started finishing tasks on time, which used to be a big problem for me, and surprisingly, I had more free time. Because everything was structured, I wasn't wasting hours figuring things out. But the biggest change was mental. I felt less stressed, more clear, and more in control of my daily routine. Lessons learned: this experience taught me something powerful. Productivity isn't about working harder. It's about working with a clear system. I didn't magically solve everything, but it removed one major problem: decision fatigue. When you don't have to constantly decide what to do next, you can use your energy to actually get things done. And over time, that makes a huge difference. Should you try this? If you feel overwhelmed, if you struggle to stay focused, or if your days feel unorganized, then this is definitely worth trying. You don't have to follow AI perfectly. Even using it as a guide can improve your routine. Start small, stay consistent, and see how it works for you. If you found this helpful and want more content like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel AI Productivity. I share practical ways to use AI to improve your daily life and productivity. And I'll see you in the next video.